Dgrade's recycling factory is located in the Khalifa industrial zone of Abu Dhabi, known as Kizat. Here, at our 4,000 square meter facility, we process polyethylene terephthalate, PET or Type 1 plastic into high-quality recycled flake. This flake is suitable for our polyester greenspun yarn production and can also be used for packaging to support a closed loop for local manufacturers. Through our Simply Bottles recycling initiative, we work with partners to collect and recycle plastic bottles, but we also source plastic through our waste management partners. Our facility has the capacity to recycle up to 3,000 kilograms of plastic an hour, which is almost 1 billion plastic bottles a year. This capacity will increase as we add on more shifts. The plastic is delivered to our factory in bales. We start the recycling process by breaking the bales and separating the plastic in a trommel. Our team manually sorts the plastic to remove larger pieces of non-PET material that may have entered the recycling stream. To remove residue and contaminants, we do both cold and hot washes. Labels and caps are separated from the PET during the recycling process. These can be recycled separately by other local manufacturers. We use state-of-the-art sorting technology from Tomra to remove non-plastic material like metals, as well as an optical sorter to remove non-PET plastic from the flake. Recycling plastic saves energy, water, oil and carbon emissions. We've taken an extra step to reduce our environmental footprint by building a custom water recycling treatment system. This means we can reuse up to 80% of the water required during the recycling process. Once the flake is processed, our in-house lab technician tests for purity rates. The final result is a high-quality flake, exactly what we need to make our sustainable greenspun yarn and to supply local manufacturers. Our team of specialists are here to support your organization with closing the loop with a sustainable solution for PET plastic and packaging requirements.